What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. We got another busy day. We headed to Summit early in the morning. Got to show y'all what I got to pick up, man. I already ordered something, just going to pick it up. And I know one thing I'm gonna tell y'all I'm going to get. I'm going to get these wheel studs, man. I got to have these wheel studs now. These longer wheel studs, safety, all that, and some lug nuts and all that good stuff. So we finna head up here, man. And I don't know, depending on what I'm feeling like, what my time like, we might head down to Hustle Hard Performance too. I gotta tell y'all the update on all that. Gotta stop by Lawless right quick. It's a whole bunch of stuff. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So I'm back from Summit and about to leave again. I just bought my inventory of gas and it's gone. That's why I bought this many. So I'm about to go pick up Dolo. We headed to Hustle Hard Performance. My boy Jesse just super tied up. And Frank got back with me. He hit me up. I guess he was busy and stuff, man. So he had hit me up. He ready for it. So to help Jesse out too, take a load off him. We going to Hustle Hard. So we got 15 gallons of gas to go in the fuel cell when we get finished. When I get down there, I show y'all what I got. Some of what I got. But for now, we finna get this trailer. Get this trailer hooked up and then go pick the car up at Lawless. Then we can start heading toward Hustle Hard car. This a ride. So my day is done. My day is finna be gone, man. I've been on the road all day today. So they get this thing hooked up, man, and let me see. Next time I cut y'all on probably be when we at Hustle Hard. I ain't gonna be coming there to see before then, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all see it, man. We made it. Long trip. Real long trip, man. Gonna get this thing unloaded. Get this bad boy unloaded, y'all, then I'm gonna show y'all the stuff I got. So this thing unstrapped. I might catch the crank up for y'all, cause y'all ain't heard it in a minute. So let me get this thing unstrapped, then we're gonna get it off. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, so we got big Dolo unloaded. Show y'all what I got. Yeah, man. Finally got the safety stuff, dog. We got the gloves. We got the race quilt gloves. Pants. Man, we got the whole nine. We got the jacket. We got the whole suit, man. I got everything but the shoes, man. Need that. Then we got lugs because we got these. The ARP, these real strong, man. Extended stud. So I have a peace of mind, got to worry about breaking no studs, man. I ain't got to worry about breaking no stud. And I got some for Dolo and for John Jones, cause John Jones been needing. So I'm gonna take these out. These gonna stay. They for John Jones. Then we got this right here. Grown man. Got a grown man right here. Yes, indeed, man. Nitrous outlet. Progressive controller. Yeah, boy, this is a grown man. Got the screen. Want the safety feature and all of that, man. I'm in the pressure solenoids. Now, when we come back, and Big Dolo come back this time, I'm gonna be ready to race on wheels. I'm gonna be ready to race on radials. However, yeah, I'm gonna be ready. That's all I'm gonna say. Only thing not gonna be done is the shocks, cause my shocks getting built. But I'll tell y'all about that when I get to the house. I said they getting built. No off the shelf stuff. They getting built for that car. So I'm finna call Frank, see where he at. And I'm gonna check back in with y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking back in, man. We just got back. We got back before the sun went down. Amazing. Can't believe it, man. That's a long ride. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. Hustle Hard Performance is a long ride for me, but it's worthwhile. It's a worthwhile ride. So, man, we got down now. We got Dolo, Big Dolo down there. Had chit chat with Frank for a second. Can't go down there and just that be it, and then, you know, turn around, man. Got to holler at my fam stuff. So we got everything put up, man. Trailer put up. Everything in the house. All the new parts down there. Showed y'all everything. Now we safe. We got flame retardant jacket, pants, and gloves. We got a helmet, of course. We been had helmet. I got multiple helmets, cause I'm still gonna take people for rides down the track. I gotta set that up. I'm probably gonna go ahead and set that up ASAP Rocky. I gotta talk to my guy man Drill about that. I can set that up quick, real quick. I'm gonna do them and John Jones. Cause John Jones on go. It's ready. It's ready. John Jones is ready, man. When I get them shots. Oh yeah, the shots. Get some shots done. And every time I do something, I'm gonna tell y'all how much it costs. So, you know, we got almost $3,000 worth of shocks just between two cars. And that's on the lower end. Big meat shocks gonna cost just about $3,000 by themselves. I got that. We got that handled today. Like I said, I'm gonna get them on the way. But Big Meat's getting some higher end shocks than them other two. But like I said, man, it's almost $3,000 worth of shocks. And just them two cars, they actually getting built for the car. Dolo shocks are getting built for that car specifically, and John Jones shocks are getting built for that car specifically. The weight, the way it's set up, the ride, the height, everything. So my shocks gonna work. It's not like going and buying off the shelf stuff. The billet converter, the Big T performance converter, it'll be done this week for Big Dolo. So Big Dolo gonna get better. It's gonna get better. I ain't got no cheap converter in it now, but it ain't the real deal converter. It ain't the custom spec converter, and it ain't the billet one. It ain't the billet unit. It's a Nitrous converter. It ain't no cheap, no real just throwaway one, but it ain't the Big T performance converter. And I keep telling y'all, hit these people up. Big T performance converter is the link is in the description. This car is being built around racing on the wheels. So we got the converter coming, the shocks being built. Y'all might see the shocks when I get them or not, but I'm telling y'all the price. Then you got the $1,000. Those $1,100. The progressive controller was $1,100. I ain't getting no cheap one. You can get them cheaper. A lot of people run the Edelbrock. I think the Edelbrock like $400 or $494 or something like that for the Edelbrock. A lot of people run the NOS Mini too. I had one of them. Which is that you can get that for like $220 or something like that. But I went ahead and went with the big boy. I got $1,100 Nitrous progressive controller. It got the safety on it, so if something go wrong, it'll shut the system off. It'll cut the nitrous off, so you can save your motor, you can save the tune, all that. I go over all that stuff later when it get hooked up. So when Big Dolo come back, when I say it's gonna be all the way ready, minus the shocks, it's gonna take my shocks 2 weeks to get built. But when my shocks get back, that's gonna be the final touch on Big Dolo and John Jones. So when the shocks get back, then I'm gonna take John Jones back to get a max power tune. I have never did a max power tune. When I run all that gas out, I'm gonna literally fill the tank up with like 112, 114 octane, and then we're gonna go back and get a max power tune, and then I save them and I can flip between the two. I just load whichever one I want to load. So I'm going to do that because I have never turned that car. So yeah, man, we rolling. We on the road. We got the wheels for Big Dolo, and like I said, we got the other shocks. Frank gonna go ahead and put them shocks in there. He gonna put the steering wheel on, all that stuff, man. We got new ARP hardened studs, so we ain't got to worry about breaking them. We ready, man. And them studs, them ARP stud, man, it was like $80 or $84 just for 10 studs. Just to, what up, Shale? Just to what up, wifey? But look at her hair, y'all. Her hair, boy, I can't show it. But anyway, look, it was $80 just for the stud, and I'm just telling y'all the stuff because, like I said, people don't see or they don't have an idea how much that stud costs. They'll literally look at your car, be like, man, that man got some long studs. They don't even understand how much they cost. So when you throw a price out there, say, I want this, I want this. So you know, got $1,100 progressive controller. We got, let me see, let me think. They about $1,400 to $1,500 a piece. Dolo shocks more than on John Jones, cause John Jones, them F body don't take no lot of money for suspension to make them work, honestly. So Dolo shocks were more. So you talking about $1,400 or $1,500 just for some shocks. Like I said, big meat shocks gonna cost like $28. And I'm just throwing out the amount, not the brag, to get people, put people in perspective on what it costs when you building a car, like really building a car. Not just throwing rims and paint and all that. That stuff expensive too, but not just, oh, the wheels. I caught a deal on the wheels, and he actually watched my video, man. I got to shout out to him for real. Like that just worked out good for me, and I ain't trying to lowball him, but I know I'll get a deal. So I paid $5,500 for the wheels and the steering wheel. But normally, Dub wheels and Forgiato and a Sunny, they run higher. They well-known companies, they reputable, they been around a long time, so they cost more money. Billet Specialties wheel high too. Ruchis are on the cheaper side when you're talking about a name brand wheel. That's why a lot of people buy Ruchis too. They got a lot of designs too. They do got a lot of styles. But they're not high as Forgiato Dubs and Sunnies. And Billet Specialty really high, and I love Billet Specialty wheels. I like their race wheels, and I like their big wheels, and they light. They light. Give y'all a little heads up. But like those wheels right there, man, most people know what they cost there. Sixes will run you between, with a steering wheel, between, depending on who you deal with, between $76 up to $8,600. Could be anywhere, or $85, anywhere between that for some sixes. Eights, get on up. And I'm talking about them 3 brands. You can get them a little cheaper sometimes. But $55 for the wheels. I mean, people know the price of that stuff, wheels and paint. They don't know the price of their performance stuff, like them $80 just for 10 wheel studs. Stuff like that. Or if you get lightweight lug nuts, you can pay $250 for 10 lug nuts because they lightweight. Like, I mean, I just want y'all to know what's going into these cars, what's going into them. So that's it, man. It's been a productive day. Big Dolo gone. He'll be back next week. What Frank said, he worked fast. He'll be back next week. Like I said, Jesse over at Lawless, he just tied up. Jesse always tied up, man, but he putting big meats together, man. He gonna put big meats together. Y'all gonna see that. And we're gonna have a pile of stuff. I'm gonna buy everything at one time. Just spend a big chunk of money. He gonna put big meats together and tune it. Gonna have some $100 shots and all that stuff. And when it come out, we just gonna boom. He gonna be the one tuning that car. So like we gonna go to the track. He gonna come to the track with me. Gonna get that bad boy dialed in. Y'all gonna see a big box Chevy rolling. Real street car still true street car. John Jones, we're gonna get a max power tune. I just waiting on my shots. I got everything I need done. They were the only part lacking suspension wise on John Jones is the shocks. They'll be here. Watch with that 60 foot. Watch the 60 foot now. This car gonna pick up big time. It already riding. Y'all already done laid down a mean number. Everybody that knows what my car run, from mechanics, big dogs, this and that, they say that car impressive. And I keep telling people, the class is in, it's about. True street car, AC, heat, this and that. It ride, man. I'm gonna reveal to y'all at the end of the year. I'm gonna reveal everything to y'all at the end of the year. Then, rhythm and blues, I don't know, depending on how I'm feeling this year or what my tax bill looking like, we might do something with rhythm and blues real quick. Just what I said I was gonna do, not a whole overhaul, but you know. But meats up next. Shop, shop coming. I gotta give y'all an update on that. But meet's up next. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I appreciate y'all, man. I'm finna go ahead and finish up. I'm tired, man. I've been riding all day. We done went to Summit today. Then we done went straight to Hustle Hard. I'm tired, man. I'm not doing nothing tomorrow. I'm not going nowhere tomorrow. So yeah, that's it. I appreciate y'all. I'll catch y'all later.